So to change the theme on your OnePlus 15, simply go to settings. Under settings, you want to go to home screen, lock screen, and style. Tap on that, and then you'll see the themes. So these are some of the themes you can apply right now. This is a default one, which is currently in use. And then you have some more themes. So you can change to a theme like this one, for instance, and then it's going to have the option to turn on always on display or to keep it off. So choose what you want, and that's going to be your new theme. Simple as that. Now, if you go back to that page, you have plenty of themes. Now, if you go to all Flux themes, you can actually see all the themes or a bigger collection, a longer list of themes that you can use. Now, you can also go ahead and download additional themes by selecting View Online Themes. It's going to take you to the OnePlus Store. If it's the first time, you have to agree to the terms of service. And of course, you have to be signed in with your Samsung account. Beg your pardon, with your OnePlus account. Now, once you select that, then at the top there, just click on themes, and then you can see plenty of themes, most of which are going to be free, but for some, you might have to pay something. You can tell whether it's free or paid by looking at that wording right there down below. So I'm going to pick this one, for instance. So you can have a look at it. You can see the screenshots of what it's going to look like. If you like it, you can just go ahead and tap on apply, and it's going to get downloaded and applied to your phone. So there you go. So that's downloaded and applied. So that is basically how to change themes on your OnePlus 15. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.